So today I'm going to show you how you can create a striking and eye-catchy YouTube thumbnail in a matter of minutes. This is the thumbnail we're going to create today, which was created for my tutorial about how to make a logo in 5 minutes. I will link that video down below. So basically it's the same versatile graphic design platform that we're going to use today to create this YouTube thumbnail. The platform is called Canva, and it allows users to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, and other visual content for free. And if you sign up for the Pro account, which is $9.95 a month, the cost of 2 coffees, you will be able to use all of their images and features. Okay, so let me show you how easy it is to create a thumbnail. If you don't already have a striking image to use for your thumbnail, you can get a super high quality one from Pexels, or from Pixabay, or from Unsplash. These are websites where you can get high quality images for free. I'm at pexels.com, and in the search area I have put logo designs. So I like this one here. I will select it and download it. And you can see this one was donated by Owen. So thank you, Owen. Step number 2, head to canva.com and sign up for a free account. You can sign up with your Google or Facebook account for an easy and quick sign up. Or you can use your email address to sign up and create a new password for your Canva account. We're going to skip the Pro version for now. So when you log into your account, on the left-hand side is where all of the magic happens. Step number 3 is to choose a design. So click on the Create Design link and choose YouTube Thumbnail. What I love about this is that not only are the size dimensions exactly what they should be for a YouTube thumbnail, which is 1280 by 720, but also there are so many designs that you can choose from here. You can also get more inspiration for your thumbnail by searching in a specific category. I'm going to select this design as my template. When I click on it, it will appear on the blank page on the right. The first thing that we're going to do is to add our free image from pexels.com. By the way, Canva has many free images that you can also choose from. If you want to see the pool of images that they have, click on Photos on the left-hand side, then type in what you're looking for in the search area up here. For example, if I was looking for logo design, I can type that in here, and you can see there are tons of images here, some of which are free, as it says here, and others you need to pay for or upgrade to the Pro account. Step number 4 is to add our image. So I'm going to upload the image that we have downloaded from Pexels by clicking on Upload on the left-hand side. Then click on Upload. And then click on the image once it has finished uploading, and it will appear on the thumbnail design page on the right. Now we're going to delete the image that is here now by hitting delete on your keyboard. Then we're going to send our new image backwards by right-clicking on our mouse and select the option Send Back. Now we're going to drag out the edges with our mouse. If you want to adjust the image itself, you can by clicking on the image and then up here click Adjust. And you can see there are many adjustment features to help you modify the image. For example, you can increase the brightness or decrease the brightness. You can increase or decrease the contrast, and many more options. So if I don't like my adjustments, I simply click on Undo, Undo until I get back to the original image. Step number 5 is to edit our text. So first thing I'm going to do is to drag out the blue box slightly. And you can see I click on the blue box, Then where the thick white line is, I hold down my mouse and drag it out. Then I'm going to change the color from blue to black by clicking in the box at the top. So I will choose another color from the box. I'm going to choose black. Now I'm going to type in the title. Then I'm going to center the text by clicking here. If you want to change the font size or style, you can do that up here. So this is for font size and this is for font style. I'm going to increase the text box by dragging out the edges, and the text will automatically become bigger when you do that. I'm going to change the size to 100 by typing it in the box here. Then I'm going to add my subheading down at the bottom. Then I'm repositioning my text and I'm going to click on alignment to center my subheading. I'm also going to change the color of logo and free to yellow so that they stand out more by clicking on the text color box at the top and selecting yellow. And that's it. Now I'm going to download my creation. By clicking on download at the top right hand corner, I'm going to leave it on PNG, which in Canva is a high quality image. Then download. And here it is. If you want to make any modifications to your design in the future on Canva, all your created designs will always be saved automatically and you can access them from here. Then when you click on one of them, you can make more modifications. So this is how easy it is to create a striking and eye-catchy YouTube thumbnail very easily with Canva. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you have, please don't forget to like this video, which will help this video to be seen by more people and help out with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching this episode. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.